Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch, or how to mute and unmute the sounds on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the sounds and vibration option and tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the mute option. And to enable silent mode, simply tap on the switch next to mute. Once it's enabled, the sounds on your watch will be muted. Basically, the watch won't make any sounds. And that's how you enable the silent mode. And to disable it, you simply enter the sound and vibration menu, find the mute option and tap on the switch again to unmute it. Basically, the sounds will be back, and you can hear we have this ringtone sound that tells us that the sound is enabled. Okay, and then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.